Welcome to a journey inside the chocolate factory of the future, right here in the heart of Africa. In the next few minutes, you'll witness how the humble cocoa bean transforms into luxurious chocolate, guided by cutting-edge technology and skilled African hands. From the sunlit cocoa fields to the precision of modern machinery, this is the story of a continent taking chocolate making to a whole new level. Join us as we explore the craftsmanship, the innovation, and the future of chocolate, all unfolding right before your eyes. When we talk about this place, most people think they already know the story. Every great chocolate story begins with a single cocoa bean. Grown under the warm sun of Africa, these beans carry the foundation of flavor, aroma, and texture. But before chocolate can exist, each bean must be carefully prepared, inspected, and transformed. Inside this modern African chocolate factory, tradition meets advanced technology. The journey begins as dried cocoa beans arrive at the facility, where quality is checked with absolute precision. Automated systems scan each batch, measuring size, density, and moisture levels. Any imperfections are removed instantly, ensuring only the best beans continue forward. Once approved, the beans move deeper into the factory, clean, organized, and purpose-built for consistency. Roasting is where flavor truly begins to develop. Controlled heat unlocks the complex aromas hidden inside the beans. Too much heat, and bitterness appears. Too little, and flavor remains locked away.
The airflow is perfectly stabilized at 200 cubic meters per minute.
And the moisture content is holding steady. The new cooling system is performing better than expected.
Yes, the gloss on this batch is perfect. We've hit our target output for the quarter already. The efficiency gains are significant.
Absolutely. The new machinery has streamlined the entire process